Tip number 1. When painting your shadows, don't simply go darker, as it will make your colors look muddy and boring. Make sure to shift the saturation and the hue to give it more punch and appeal. Number 2. Try to take advantage of the layers. Put different elements of your painting like the background, the skin, and the clothing on different layers. It will make painting so much more efficient, and it will allow you to make changes to your painting whenever you want. Number 3. You don't actually need to learn anatomy drawing to get better at drawing figures. Anatomy drawing is complicated and takes a lot of time to master. So instead, you should focus more on form because it is definitely more important. Number 4. Learn construction. Construction is basically drawing the figure using simple 3D shapes like boxes, ovoids, and cylinders. This will help you draw the figure more easily from different angles and also allow you to store information more easily in your mental library, which will enable you to draw the figures from memory. Number 5. Try to avoid overusing the soft brush, as it can make your paintings look overly digital and ugly. Instead, if you want soft edges, paint with a hard edge brush first and then use a blending brush to make the edges softer. Number 6. You don't really need to learn everything about color theory to make good paintings. All you need to understand is what color works best with what other color, and you can learn that by observing the paintings of other good artists. Number 7. Values are more important than colors. If you think your artwork looks bad because your colors are bad, it's most probably your values that are bad. And if you can get your values right, you can literally put any color in it and it will work. Number 8. Don't blend every single edge in your painting. Combine hard and soft edges to make your paintings look more appealing. Number 9. Don't be shy about using the tools provided in your painting software like layer modes, liquify, or adjustment layers. These tools are there to help boost your process, but try not to rely on them too much. Number 10. Don't overcomplicate your process by using too many brushes. Choose one brush that you will use for 90% of your painting and maybe a few more for creating textures. Number 11. Learn the fundamentals, because fundamentals are the most important part of learning any skill. If your fundamentals suck, your art is simply gonna fall apart. Number 12. Focus on the big shapes first and slowly move towards the smaller detail. And try not to zoom in for the first phase of your painting, which is blocking in lights and shadows. Number 13. Do as many art studies as you can. Find a photograph with good lighting and composition and study it. And try not to take more than an hour on a single study. Number 14. Study other professional artists. This is one of the best ways of learning art. And this is also the fastest way to develop your art style. These professional artists have already figured out everything about stylization. All you have to do is copy them. And don't just copy from one. Copy as many as you can. Number 15. Can't decide between a screen tablet and a graphic tablet? If line art is more important for you, then I would suggest you go for a screen tablet. And if colors are more important for you and you are on a budget, then go for a graphics tablet and pair it with a good monitor. Number 16. Don't forget to flip your canvas. Flipping your canvas gives you a fresh perspective of your artwork, which reveals all the proportion flaws in your drawings. So flip your canvas often and fix the proportion issues the moment you see them. Number 17. Using references is not cheating. Every professional artist uses references. If you want to improve your art and expand your mental library, you must draw from as many references as you can. Number 18. Learn how the light actually works. You don't need to learn the complicated physics, but the basics: light, shadow, bounce light, and ambient light. Even a simple understanding can improve realism and form. Number 19. To draw heads, pick a reliable construction method like the Loomis method, the Riley method, or any structured approach you prefer. These systems teach you proportions, rhythm, and consistency. And once you have practiced them enough, you'll naturally start drawing heads accurately from memory. And the last tip of this video: enjoy the process. There is nothing more important than this. There is no improvement without enjoyment. So try to enjoy your art process. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.